Welcome to the Global Protection Network, a platform of dedicated resources developed for professionals by professionals responding to online child sexual abuse. It is a space for you to share your experiences, ideas, and operational practices so that other members can learn and benefit around the world. Here's how to use the GPN. This is your personal dashboard. Click Get Started to learn more about the current challenges being faced worldwide in dealing with online child sexual abuse and exploitation. This section also outlines the global initiatives and partnerships that exist to provide support to improving and developing effective national responses. Click Find Out More to gain a deeper understanding of the specific challenges facing your country and practical examples of implementation of the model national response. This material is constantly evolving as more professionals add content and describe what works for them in responding to online crimes against children. Click on Training to explore the GPN catalogue of development opportunities. Here you will find a bank of online and instructor-led modules to develop your operational and technical knowledge of child sexual abuse and exploitation. Regardless of your profession or geographical location, we're sure that you'll find something that is of benefit to you as the number of courses expand and the platform evolves. To contribute new content to the GPN, whether that's examples of best practice, information, or guidance in use in your country, or tools that describe what works for you, please email gpn@marycollinsfoundation.org.uk. Thank you for visiting and using the Global Protection Network.